how to live stream on YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. Firstly, follow the steps to connect your YouTube channel to Restream. Set up a vertical stream. Then if you use Restream Studio, select Portrait Orientation. If you use third-party streaming software, adjust your settings to a 9:16 ratio. Then simply toggle on your YouTube channel and start streaming. You must stream vertically for your live to show on the Shorts feed. The vertical live feed is only available on the YouTube app on mobile phones. So make sure streaming must be enabled for your YouTube channel. YouTube requires you to verify your phone number and wait 24 hours until you can stream for the first time. Learn how to enable live stream for your channel. Then YouTube has no stream duration limits but will only archive streams under 12 hours. YouTube has many recommended stream settings, video guidelines, audio guidelines, and many more. Make sure to follow all that. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.